JFR Consulting was founded by an experienced safety professional with over 40 years of hands-on expertise in warehouse distribution, transportation, and workplace safety. For over 40 years, JFR Consulting's founder has worked directly in warehouse distribution, transportation, and workplace safety, gaining firsthand experience in the real dangers businesses face every day. Throughout his career, I've witnessed preventable accidents, forklift incidents, unsafe driving conditions, fire hazards, and compliance failures that put both workers and businesses at serious risk. Today, JFR Consulting is being launched with one clear mission: to provide real-world safety training, compliance solutions, and practical education that protects workers, strengthens businesses, and saves lives. The founder's professional journey has been built on decades of hands-on operational leadership. He has spent his career understanding the daily realities of warehouses, vehicle operations, logistics, and distribution environments. This isn't theory. This is real experience from the front lines. He has seen how one missed safety procedure can lead to devastating injuries, costly violations, damaged equipment, or even loss of life. JFR Consulting was created to transform that experience into affordable, accessible safety solutions for companies that need practical protection. JFR Consulting specializes in multiple high-impact safety services, including forklift safety training and OSHA certification, driver safety programs, fire extinguisher training, monthly fire extinguisher inspections, and customized workplace safety consulting. Our goal is to help businesses stay compliant while building safer workplaces through prevention, education, and recurring safety support. Fire safety compliance is often overlooked until disaster strikes. JFR Consulting provides monthly fire extinguisher inspections, compliance documentation, and hands-on fire response training designed to keep businesses prepared and protected. Regular inspections save lives, reduce liability, and ensure businesses meet critical safety standards. This service also creates sustainable recurring partnerships that help businesses maintain long-term compliance. Warehouse operations are filled with hidden risks: battery fires, pallet fires. Poor storage practices and overlooked hazards can escalate rapidly, causing severe damage, business interruption, and life-threatening emergencies. These real-world incidents are exactly why proactive safety training matters. JFR Consulting focuses on prevention, not reaction. By teaching workers and business owners how to identify and eliminate hazards before catastrophe occurs, we help create safer environments for everyone. To officially launch and expand JFR Consulting, community support is being sought through GoFundMe. Funding will directly support business licenses, insurance, a mobile training and service vehicle, safety training tools, inspection equipment, marketing, and operational resources. This investment will allow JFR Consulting to serve businesses on-site, scale services, and provide affordable safety solutions across multiple industries. Your support isn't just funding a business, it's helping build a safety-driven mission that protects workers and communities. Supporting JFR Consulting means investing in safer workplaces, stronger small businesses, reduced accidents, and better compliance. Our mission goes beyond profit. This business is about protecting families, employees, and employers by reducing preventable injuries and building a culture of safety. With your help, JFR Consulting can become a trusted leader in warehouse, vehicle, and fire safety training. After 4 decades of experience, JFR Consulting's founder is transforming his knowledge into a business dedicated to protecting others. JFR Consulting is more than a company. It is a mission to improve workplace safety, strengthen communities, and save lives through education and compliance. We invite you to support this journey. Every donation, large or small, brings us one step closer to launching a professional safety organization that can make a real difference. Together, we can build safer businesses, stronger communities, and better futures. Thank you for your support.